to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick review for you from Asteria Hair. So I'm wearing a wig from them, and let me tell you guys exactly what I'm wearing. I'm wearing their deep wave lace front wig. It is 20 inches and 180% density, and the cap size is 23.5 inches. So this is a deep wave, but it does have like it kind of reminds me a little bit like of a curl. Like it has like a wave and a curl pattern to it, in my opinion. So that is nice. Think I like about this, but I could see how it could come like a problem to some people who aren't used to dealing with a lot of hair, is the density. It's 180% density, and that is a lot of hair. However, I am like, it's always great to get more hair than not enough. This wig definitely comes with 180% density. If it comes with 150%, I'll put that down below, but if that is an option, I would say go for it as well if it's going to save you a little bit of money, because the hair, whenever you deal with curly hair, you can always kind of go a little bit lower in density, in my opinion, because you're going to get the curls and the volume and everything that goes along with it. So I am getting a little bit more tangles than usual. However, I think that may have to deal with me putting so much product in this hair, because I was taking pictures with my sister today and we were outside and it was hotter than what I expected, and I was having some issues with the hairline and all that good stuff. So it was more me. So this hairline does come with baby hair, and the baby hair are pretty long. If you are used to plucking the hairline, then I would go ahead and pluck a little bit. But if you are not used to and you are a beginner, you don't have to worry about that. It doesn't come too thick, so that is like super, like, you know, it just doesn't look good. So you don't have anything to worry about there. One last thing, the wig is super comfortable. I've had a couple people reach out to me just asking for any big head, and I don't even want to say that. Big head friendly wigs, I guess it is what it is, and this is definitely one of them. I love the fact that their wigs come in different sizes. That's a major plus, you guys. When you're spending that kind of money, you want to be able to have something that's gonna like fit you perfectly, kind of like a glove. And some companies, you only are able to get one size, but with them they have multiple sizes, and if they don't even have your size, I would definitely reach out to Asteria Hair and see what they could do for you, or see if they can customize something for you specifically. But other than that, this 23.5 is perfect. It's super comfortable, and I do have it on the second to the last notch, and I am able to tighten it a little bit more if I want to. So that is a major plus, because it's nothing like not being able to wear a wig for all day long, and I can definitely wear this wig all day long without a problem. Other than that, you guys, that's pretty much it. The hair is beautiful, the curls are beautiful. Asteria Hair, you guys did a really good job with constructing this wig and everything. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and put those down below in the description box, and I will answer them as soon as possible. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at JMarie. And I think that is it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.